teacher Jei-Em, and this is one of the things that I do after retirement. Okay, so if you notice, my shirt says YOLO. You only live once. So since people only live once, we should eat something nutritious. Okay, and today I'm going to make some bean sprouts. Alright, so first I have this 1 cup of munggo beans. Alright, I'm going to wash this first. If you notice, there are floating beans. Okay, so we have to remove the beans that float because they're not going to grow. Okay, so water is still dirty, so I'm going to rinse it once again. No more floating beans. I'm going to remove all the water. I have enough water to soak these beans. I'm going to soak these overnight and we'll find out tomorrow what happens. Keep it in a place that's not really dark but somehow no sunlight. I'll go back with you tomorrow. These munggo beans have been soaked overnight. Now I'm going to transfer this to another container so that beans will sprout. Now I have here a colander or strainer where I'm going to put these munggo beans to stay for a little bit more or let the beans sprout. Okay, and I'm using cheesecloth to hold the beans. Okay, so like this. So I just need to put enough beans to have enough space for growing. You have to sprinkle this with water twice a day. Standing water is not recommended, but just a little bit is fine to keep the moisture from the bean sprout. Now there's extra beans here which I can still put in another container. Okay, so this is the first day that this munggo beans is there. Okay, it's setting here. And we will find out how long it's gonna take for these beans to grow. So we will try to look at this tomorrow and then we'll find out if the beans are long enough and ready to eat, or ready for cooking rather. Alright, so I got another strainer for the excess munggo beans and I put it here. Also, I did the same thing. I wrapped with cheesecloth. I have to make sure that there is another bowl underneath to keep water from draining. Then at this point, these munggo beans should be kept in a darker place because the light will make these beans, it's rather they will turn purple, which is no longer as good. So they have to be kept in a darker place. And some other people who make this bean sprout, they use the black garbage bags so that there's no light coming through the bean sprout. But as for me, I'm going to keep this inside a cabinet where they don't get too much sunlight. Just make sure that these beans are wet. Okay, and then I'll find out tomorrow what they look like. Alright, thank you. Okay, so this is the 4th day since I soaked these munggo beans. So we'll find out how they look now. Yesterday, I checked this but they are not done yet. So now it's the 4th day. Let's see how they look. Look at them. Wow. Oh, wow. They're pretty long. Okay, so this is just the right size of the bean sprout, and they are ready to cook. Alright, so 4 days, oops, to be exact, since I soaked this, and this is it. Okay, so this is it. I love my family and I love farm life. And if you enjoy watching my video, don't forget to like and share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to Teacher Jei-Em After Retirement. And don't forget to click the notification bell for updates on my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. See you then. Bye-bye.